Hello, welcome to AnAuraChicBeauty channel. For today's makeup tutorial, I'll be doing the final look from the M.A.C Brunette Blonde and Redhead collection. And even though this is going to be the brunette look, I'm actually going to use colors from the Blonde and Redhead set. And so from the brunette colors, I'm going to use the Brunette Mineralize Skinfinish. And from the blonde, I'm going to use the Strawberry Blonde Lipglass. And from the redhead, it's the French Cuff Eyeshadow. So this is going to be like a fun, pretty kind of romantic look. I think this will be good for, Valentine's Day, which is coming up. And it's, I'm using like a warm pinkish, almost corally colors for the eyes with kind of like warm plumish brown color in the crease. And for the cheeks is like a reddish coral copper color, which is this. And lips is kind of a pinkish red color. So please keep watching to learn how to get this look. For today's foundation, I'm using something different. It's the M.A.C Mineralize Satinfinish. It gives light to medium coverage and it is buildable. And the finish is, not too matte or too dewy. It's like something in between, I guess a satin finish. And the brush I'm using is M.A.C 109. And I'm using this brush instead of the 188 because it's a little bit more dense, so it'll build the coverage a little bit more better than, the 188 where it kind of shears out the product. And I'm just going to apply just, regular directly on with like a patting motion. Oh, and the color I'm using is NC 25. And then to blend, I just use like a buffing motion. For my concealer, I'm still going to use Urban Decay 24/7 Concealer Pencil in FBI. And to set the foundation and concealer, I'm going to use something different again, and it's the M.A.C Mineralize Skinfinish Duo. And the color is light medium, as natural and shimmer. And I'm only going to use the matte side because I don't want my face to be all shimmery since I'll have a lot of shimmer on the cheeks. So, and the brush I'm using is Trish McEvoy Powder Brush number 5. And just, dust it on as usual. So I'm first going to start my eye makeup with M.A.C Soft Ochre Paint Pot as an eyeshadow base. And the brush I'm using is M.A.C 217. I'm going to start at the lash line, blending up to my brow. Then I'm actually going to line my top and bottom inner rims with Urban Decay Glide On Pencil in 0, just the black. And the reason I'm doing this is it'll give my eyes a little bit more definition, and it actually makes it easier to line the inner rims before putting any eyeshadow on. Especially if your eyes are sensitive and gets a little bit watery or runny when you're lining the inside of your eye. Now I'm going to highlight the brow bone and inner corner with M.A.C Vanilla Pigment. And it's a shimmery, light, kind of ivory pink yellow color. It's not too glittery or frosty. It's just a nice soft highlight color. And it really goes with a lot of eyeshadow colors. And so for the brow bone, I'm going to use M.A.C brush number 252. And for the inner corner, I'm going to use M.A.C brush number 224. Then I'm going to define my crease using M.A.C Soft Brown Eyeshadow. And the brush I'm using is Sephora number 10. And so I'm going to start at the outer corner and just follow the natural shape of my eye. Now on the lid, I'm going to apply M.A.C Perky Paint Pot and take a light shimmery peachy pink color. And the brush I'm using is M.A.C 239. I'm just going to apply a thin layer. And I'm going to use the same M.A.C 239 brush to apply M.A.C French Cuff Eyeshadow. And take a frosty warm pink color, kind of like a salmon pink color. And I'm just going to pat it right over where we apply Perky Paint Pot. Now in the crease where M.A.C Soft Brown Eyeshadow is, I'm going to apply M.A.C Till Daybreak Eyeshadow. And this is in the Intense Eyes palette that I think came out a couple years ago. Unfortunately, it's limited edition. It's only in this palette. But you can use something similar like M.A.C Sushi Flower Eyeshadow or maybe M.A.C Passionate Eyeshadow. I think that's what it's called. And the brush I'm using is M.A.C 222. And I'm just going to at the outer corner, concentrating like on the outer half first, and then blend it all the way in. And I'm blending it up a little high, kind of where the soft brown is. Now this color is really intense, kind of like a pinkish red color, so you want to be careful not to apply too much. Now right where the French Cuff and Till Daybreak eyeshadow meet, this line right here, I'm going to apply M.A.C Foley eyeshadow. It's like a reddish plum brown color, and the brush I'm using is M.A.C 223. And this color is just to give the Till Daybreak color a little more definition, a little more depth. I'll start at the outer corner and just apply right where the lid color and the crease color meet. And I'm not really going to blend it up. Now on the outer corner of the lid and crease, I'm going to use M.A.C brush number 219 to apply M.A.C eyeshadow in Smut. And this is a permanent color, and it's kind of like a blackish gray purple color. And I'm just going to apply right at the outer corner here, kind of doing like a diagonal line first, and then just lightly shade it in, and just kind of blend it a little bit on the outer corner of the crease. Then I'm going to take that same color and apply it to the lower lash line over the black eyeliner to soften and give it a smoky effect.